Hi everyone, welcome to Math 150 College Algebra. Today we will do some examples for section 1.3 Models and Application. So we start number 1. You are choosing between two health clubs. Club A offers membership for a fee of $11 plus a monthly fee of $27. Club B offers membership for a fee of $18 plus a monthly fee of $26. After how many months will the total cost of each health club be the same? So what will be the total cost for each club? Okay, now look at again. Okay, so now let X the number of months. Okay, so now look at Club A. They say Club A offers membership for a fee of $11. Yes, it is Club A. The fee is $11 plus, so I just put plus, a monthly fee of 27. Okay, so it means 27 times X. Okay, now B, Club B. Club B offers membership for a fee of $18, just 18, plus a monthly fee of 26. So monthly fee is 26x. Okay. Now the question, after how many months will the total cost of each health club be the same? It means A equal B. Okay, everybody follow, yeah? So now, after this, we just write down. We know A is equal. Yeah, we just write down over here again. A equal 11 plus 27x equal B, 18 plus 26x. Now we solve. Remember, like term. Okay, so now I move 26x to the left, become minus 26x. Okay, I just write down again here. 11 plus 27x minus 26x equal 18. Now move 11 to the right side, become minus 11. Okay, opposite, remember? So now we can write down again. 27x minus 26x equal 18 minus 11. So 27x minus 26x is x equal 18 minus 11 is 7. So we got the answer x equal 7. Okay, so now we can write down on the top, yeah, letter. So they ask again the next question, what will be the total cost for each club? Okay, so now we can write down over here. Move a little bit over here. Okay. So I just choose A or B is the same, yeah, because A equal B. I choose A. A equal 11 plus 27x. So now A equal 11 plus 27, change x with 7. Okay, so now we got the answer. A equal 11 plus 189. So the answer becomes A equal 200. So now we can fill out the blank over here. So So on the blank, on the box, yeah, in 7 months, the total cost of each health club will be the same. The next one, the total cost for each health club will be $200. Okay, now go to number 2. After a 60% reduction, you purchase a new sofa on sale for $272. What was the original price of the sofa? So now, let X equal the original price. Okay, so now look at the question. The question, yeah. After a 60% reduction, you purchase a new sofa on sale for $272. What was the original price of the sofa? Remember that? So the original sofa is X. This is the original. Yeah. After reduction 60% is mean you minus 60% of the original, right? So the sale price become $272. Okay. Remember 60% we can write with 60 over 100, or we can write that 0.6. So now we solve over here. X minus 0.6x equal 272. So x minus 0.6, the answer is 0.4x equal 272. Now we need x. Yeah, we need x. So I will go to find x. So the answer is you have to divide by 0.4 on the left side. Of course, you have to divide 0.4 on the right side. Yeah, so this is going to cancel. So x equal 272 divided by 0.4. The answer is 680. So you got the answer? $680. So you can put over here on the in the box, yeah, over here. So $680. Okay. Now go to the next one. Number 3. Including a 7% sales tax and in charge 134.82 cent, yeah, dollar per night. So find the each nightly cost before tax is added. Okay. So now let X the ins nightly cost before, I'm sorry, I add this a little bit over here. Here you go. Tax is added. Okay. Read again the question. Okay. Include a 7% sales tax and in charges $134.82 $0.82 per night. Find the nightly cost before tax is added. So we have to know, yeah? Before added, yeah? The X is the nightly cost before tax is added. So just put X plus 7%. X, because the tax is 7, yeah, equal $134.82. So now change become decimal, yeah. So X plus 0.07 X equal $134.82. So now you add 1 plus 0.07. So the answer is 1.07x equal 134.82. We need x. That's our goal. So you divide by 1.07 on the left side. Of course, you have to divide by 1.07 on the right side. This is cancelled. Yeah. So now x equal 126. Okay, so the answer is x equal 126. Straight down over here, 126 is for number 3. Okay, now go to number 4. The selling price of refrigerator is $582. If the markup is 20% of the dealer cost, what is the dealer's cost of the refrigerator? Okay, they say be careful with if the markup. Okay, it means you plus. Okay, so now let X equal the dealer cost of the refrigerator. Okay, so now X plus the question, yeah, look at the question. If the markup is 20% of the dealer cost, it just means X plus 20% times X equal 582. Check the percent become decimal, X plus 0.2. X equal 582. So now we solve, yeah? So 1 plus 0.2x, yeah? 1x plus 0.2x. The answer become 1.2x equal 582. Our goal is to find x. So we have to divide by 1.2 on the left side. You have to divide 1.2 on the right side. Okay, so now x equal 485. So the answer over here, we can just put on in the box here. The answer is 485. Okay, now go to the next one. Number 5. You invested $27,000 in 2 accounts paying 8% and 9% annual interest. So we have 2 accounts. Okay. If the total interest earned for the year was $2,310, how much was invested at each rate? Okay. You have to find the amount invested at 8% and the amount invested at 9%. Okay. Now, just remember about the formula first. Okay, the formula interest equal principal, okay, time rate time. Or we can write down I equal PRT. Okay. From the problem, we can see the time is 1 year because annual. Okay. Annual interest. So it means T. From that one, we know about that. So T equal 1. So we can write down I equal PR times 1. So the answer becomes I equal PR. Okay. So now, they said they had two accounts. Is right? So two accounts. So invested because of P equal 27,000. There are two accounts. Yeah. I just put P1. This is P2. Okay. So P1, if I put P1 equal X, so P2 27,000 minus X. Okay. So now P1, I just because the account, there are two accounts. So R1, I just put, you can put 8%, you can put 9%. It's up to you which one you want to choose. But I just put R1 equal 8%, R2 equal 9%. Okay. So now look at the formula. So because there are two accounts, yeah, there are two accounts. So I can write down I equal P1 R1 plus P2 R2. That's right. So the interest I equal 2,310 equal P1 is X. Okay, R1 is 8%. Okay, so now plus we just plug in, yeah. P2 is 27,000 minus X, R2 9%. Okay, we just simplify now. Okay, 2,310 equal, I just write down with decimal, 0.08x plus, put percent in front, yeah, in the from. So it becomes 0.09 times 27,000 minus x. Okay, now we solve now. Remember, distributive property, right? So you got the answer. So 0.09 times 27,000. You got the answer is 2430 minus 0.09 times x. The answer is 0.09x. Yeah, distributive property. Don't forget about that. Okay, now remember like term. Okay, because this is like term. 0.08x minus 0.09x like term. Okay, so we got the answer for this one. I change the color first. Okay, so 2310 equal 2430 minus 0.01x. Okay, move number with number, yeah, just move to the left, become minus. So 2310 minus 2430 equal negative 0.01x. So the answer is negative 120 equal negative 0.01x. Okay, so our goal is to find x. Okay, so now we're gonna move little bit. Yeah. So I just move over here. Okay, so it means just negative 120 equal negative 0.01x. So I will go to find x divided by negative 0.01 divided by negative 0.01. So the answer is, this is x, become cancel, become 1. So the answer over here is become 12,000. Okay, now this is x, yeah? So now remember about this one, P1 equal x, right? So now P1 equal x. So we can find over here. So P1 equal x. So we can write down here. The answer is 12,000. Okay. Now P2, 27,000 minus s. You just plug in over here. So 27,000 minus 12,000. Right? So the answer becomes 15,000. Okay. Now just fill out the blanks, right? So now the first one, the amount invested at percent is $12,000. Okay. For 9%, $15,000. That's for number 5. Okay. Now continue again to number 6. Bigger now. Okay. Now a rectangular athletic field is twice as long as it is wide. If the perimeter of the athletic field is 240 yards, what are its dimensions? Okay, now let, okay, width, okay, look at again the question. A rectangular athletic field is twice as long as it is wide. So the width is, I just put let width equal x. Okay, now so length is mean twice as long as it is wide. So become 2x. Okay, remember about the formula for the perimeter? Okay, the formula for perimeter is P equal to L plus 2 width. The perimeter is 240 equal to the length is become 2x plus 2. The width is x. Okay. Now we solve it now. 240 equal 2 times 2 is 4 times x is 4x plus 2x. So like term, yeah, 4x plus 2x is like term. So answer becomes 240 equal 4 plus 2 is 6x. So our goal is to find x. Let's change the color. Okay. So find x. So over divided by 6, divided by 6. So this will cancel. So 240 divided by 6, the answer is 40 equal x. Yeah. So now we got the x. Right? So we just plug it over here. Yeah. Width equal x. So just put over here equal 40. So length is 2x. So just 2 times 40. So the answer is 80. So now we just change here. Just fill out the box here over there. So the width is 40 yards. The length is 80 yards. Okay. Now number 7. Okay. A rectangular painting measures 12 inches by 16 inches and contains a frame of uniform width around the 4 edges. The perimeter of the rectangular formed by the painting and its frame is 72 inches. Determine the width of the frame. Okay, so they I just put over here. Yeah, they said the perimeter now the perimeter of the rectangular. Yeah, so the perimeter is P equal 72. Okay, a rectangular painting measures 12 inches by 16 inches. This is 12 inches. This is 16 inches. Okay, and contains a frame of uniform width around the 4 edges. So this is X, this is X, this is X, this is X. That's right? Okay. So now look at again. So because there is a frame, so the length become, yeah, the length become X, yeah, over here, X plus 12 plus X. So equal X plus X become 2X plus 12. Okay. Now width, okay, it's mean over here, that's right. So X plus 16 plus X. The answer is 2X plus 16. Okay. Now remember the formula of the perimeter, yeah? P equal 2L plus 2W. Okay. P is 72 equal 2 times, yeah, 2X plus 12 plus 2W, 2X plus 16. Okay. Now we solve now. Yeah, distributive property. Remember? One, distributive property, distributive property. Okay, so we got now, yeah, the answer. 72 equal 2 times 2x. The answer is 4x plus 2 times 12, 24. Plus 2 times 2x, 4x plus 2 times 16, 32. Okay, distributive, like term. Okay, like term, yeah, 4x with 4x, that's right. 24 plus 32, like term. So now 72 equal 4x plus 4x. The answer is 8x plus 24 plus 32. The answer is 56. Now move 56 to the left, become minus. So we can write down 72 minus 56 equal 8x. Our goal is to find x, yeah? So now we just solve first 72 minus 56. The answer is 16 equal 8x. So our goal to find x, we divide by 8, divide by 8. Yeah. So now the answer is 16 divided by 8 is equal to. So x equal to. So now we can plug in. Yeah. Plug into the length and width. Length equal to x plus 12. You just plug in. Change x become 2. Yeah. So 2 times 2 plus 12. So 2 times 2 is 4 plus 12. Yeah. So 16. This is become 2 times 2 plus 16. So 4 plus 16. The answer is 20. What the question? Oh, the width. They just asked about the width. Okay. So the width of the frame is 2. X equal to, yeah, 2. Okay. Now go to the next one. Number 8. Now solve the following formula for the specified variable. A equal 1/4 times F times N for F. You need to find F. Okay. I just write down again the formula, yeah. A equal 1/4 times F times N. You need F. Okay. There's fraction. So because there is fraction, so just time the whole thing by 4 times by 4. Okay, so no fractions, right? So now 4 times A becomes 4A equal cancel, right? So the answer become F times N. Our goal is to find F. So you have to divide by N. You divide by N. Yeah. So now, so we got the answer, yeah? This is cancel. So the answer becomes 1. So 4A over N equal F. Okay. So be careful to type the answer. If capital, you have to type capital. Okay. If not, you just write down 4A over N like this is wrong. Okay. Look at the the question. A is capital. So you have to write down 4A over N equal F. So type like this. Okay. So I will type in the box here over here. Let's change the color. So F equal 4A, capital A over N. Okay, remember, okay? Be careful. If you not type without exactly the same like the question, so you will got wrong. Okay, be careful for this one. Capital or small letter, please be careful. So now, number 9. Solve the following formula for the specified variable f equal pi h squared m for m. Okay, I just write down again. Okay, f, capital F, be careful, okay, equal pi h squared m. You need m. Okay, I circle m over here. It means if you divide by pi h squared on the right side, so you have divide pi h squared on the left side. So I will go over here, become 1, right? So now I can write down become f over pi h squared equal m. Okay, it's not hard yet. So you have to know what looking for the question looking for m. So circle the m. So you can see, okay, what we have to divide. Okay, so become in front of m is pi h squared. So you divide by pi h squared both sides. Okay, so now go to the number 10 now. This is the last one. Okay, last one or not? Oh, yeah, last one. I just want to finish. Okay, now go to number 10, yeah? Solve the formula for V. Be careful, this is capital A and capital W, and V is small. Be careful, okay? You have to write down M is small. You have to write down exactly like the question because computer doesn't know which one, the capital or small letter. The computer has to write down, you have to write down exactly like the question. Okay, I just write down again. A equal W plus Vm. You have to solve V. That's why I circle V first. Because this is plus W plus Vm, so I have to move W to the left side because I want F by itself. Okay, so now I just write down A minus, because positive move to the left side become negative. So A minus W equal Vm. Our goal is to find V. So I have to divide by M on the right side. So I have to divide M on the left side. Yeah. So we got the answer now. V equal capital A minus capital W over small m. Okay. That's the answer. We finished. Okay. If you have questions, if you need help, just send me email. Okay, I would love to help you. Or you can go to texting center. So you just make appointment with them. So it's help for you to for your homework, for everything, not only for math but other subject too. Okay. So see you on the next video. Bye bye.